Hello guys and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Sabi from Code Revolution. So I just realized that I don't have a tutorial video for Echo RSS feed post generator for Puppeteer usage. So let me show you this in this video. So let me explain what is Puppeteer. It is a headless browser which is able to render dynamic content from websites like lazy loaded images, like other JavaScript loaded stuff which appear on the website after you load the page in your browser. So this kind of content is not able to be scraped in regular scrapers, and because of this you will need to install Puppeteer on your website server that will be able to render these sites, and the Echo RSS feed post generator plugin will be able to extract the rendered HTML from Puppeteer. So for this you will need first to install Puppeteer on your site. I will link a description in this video's description, a video where I will be showing how to do this. If installing Puppeteer is not possible for you, the plugin also offers HeadlessBrowserAPI support, which is a cloud-based service which also renders JavaScript for you, similar to Puppeteer. If you don't know how to install Puppeteer, or you cannot install Puppeteer on a server, you can also check HeadlessBrowserAPI. It is a premium service, and enter the API key here, and afterwards you will be able to use HeadlessBrowserAPI. I will show you right now how. So for the demonstration of this video, I am using a CNET RSS feed which contains posts which also have dynamic content in them. So let's show this right now. Let's import two posts from CNET, and let's go scroll down here in settings and check the try to get full article content checkbox, and I will leave right now the default WordPress scraping method. Here you will have the use Puppeteer and also HeadlessBrowserAPI methods if you installed Puppeteer or you activated the HeadlessBrowserAPI key in the main settings of the plugin. So afterwards you will be able to select Visual Selector and highlight the part of the post that you wish to scrape. And keep in mind that right now I am using the default scraping method just to compare the content of the post that will be scraped. So now let's go to our site. It's empty. And now let's refresh the site after the check mark is green. So let's check this post. For example, you will see here some images are not displaying correctly and some stuff are also incorrectly added. So to fix this, install Puppeteer on your server and go and set use Puppeteer in the content scraping method to use. Save settings. Now let's delete all posts and let's rerun importing. So right now the plugin calls Puppeteer headless browser, which is installed on my server, to scrape the content of this website, and also Puppeteer will return JavaScript rendered content. So now refresh the post and here it is. Images and stuff are correctly scraped now from CNET. Okay. So if we go and check also the other post, it has similar good content. Okay, so keep in mind, if you don't have a method to install Puppeteer on your server, you can also use HeadlessBrowserAPI. A tutorial video will be linked from this video's description. You can go and check also on this. So this is how to use Puppeteer, or alternative for Puppeteer is also PhantomJS. I forgot to mention this, then you can install also PhantomJS on your server if you want to use PhantomJS. The plugin will support also this version of the headless browser. So yeah, this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe to this channel. It really helps this channel grow. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.